Have you ever get the impression that mountains might be alive? Sometimes it even sounds to me like they are crying. High up in the mountains, ice melts in summer. Water penetrates cracks in the rock, freezes back in winter, which expands its volume and eventually dislocates the surface of the mountain. Pretty sure you would be crying as well. The bad thing about this is that a rockfall high up in the mountain can result in a major landslide down in the valley. And here in Switzerland, that injures towns and people. But the good thing is, it is not completely unpredictable. It's a bit like a pencil under pressure that will crack before it actually breaks. In the same way, we can detect the sound made by a mountain crying, and by doing so, monitor from Zurich the state of the mountains. We can evaluate how bad the damage is, or how likely it is to fall apart in the next days. To do that, we deploy many sensors directly on top of the surface of the mountain, which are connected through wireless communications. Here, we are facing two main challenges. First, these mountains are quite difficult to access. We cannot afford a sensor to drain its battery in 2 days or even in 2 months. We are aiming for years of autonomous lifetime. Second, it is paramount that we control the communication efficiently. That means that if a mountain is crying, the base station will detect it and warn the inhabitants in the valley if necessary, and preferably before they have the rock through the roof. Managing this is called providing real-time guarantees. So, the goal of my thesis is to develop such real-time communication protocols for wireless sensor network which should react quickly, reliably, and feature years of autonomous lifetime, which is quite challenging. Today, we're interested in alpine monitoring, but the potential field of application for this research is much wider. We're starting towards smart clothing, living in smart houses. Tomorrow, we'll move around smart cities in autonomous cars. This will happen. And to be safe, we will need automatic controllers to react and communicate with the environment in real time. Hopefully, my work will contribute for a safer future for all of us. Thank you.